Good Midwest morning, everyone. This is Nicole, your mobile bloggers for TOCtown.com. And today I wanted to share another tip, tool, and practical artisan admin technique for those of you that are starting to write as well as blog for the new season. So pretty much I have my squared journal, Cahier from Moleskine. And if you're familiar with the brand, they come threaded. They used to come with square corners, but I guess for the collection, they're now rounded. And this one in particular is squared. They do come blank as well as lined and dotted. So, and the other thing is, of course, you have to have a pen. I'm doing this on my iPad, so my visual as far as hand and tool is trying to get re-coordinated when I do an impromptu video. So this is a Pilot bottle to pen, which is 7 millimeters. So I do have refills in a black bold, and I'm going to be refilling them once this cartridge finishes. But I just thought it was a real neat thing to have, if you're part of the green movement, that just because it's green doesn't mean it's quote unquote environmentally friendly, but I'm trying to do better little bit by little bit. So if you have any questions about some of the things that I purchased in order to do my social media planning as well as writing and scheduling, then go ahead and leave them down below. I'm Nicole, your mobile bloggers for TOCtown.com. Until we meet online or face to face, be blessed.